Hello everybody. Now I am at the fourth step, run a paid ad using Google Ads to gain views. I already finished these three steps, and in my last video I showed you how to upload video and I showed you everything practically. Now it's time to get views, and now I'm going to use Google Ads, ads.google.com, and I'm going to show you a live example of how to start a paid ad, especially video ads using Google Ads. And here's my ad account, ads.google.com, and as you can see, I already have a running campaign for here, the Red Tea Detox review, and I'm going to explain you everything how you can do that too. So I want to show you first that actually these videos are supported. There are many people who just say that uh, Google does not allow affiliates, and many people does not start by hearing this, but it's not true. You can see I have started a campaign here, an affiliate offer campaign, and this is a Creative Commons video. This is not I am. You see, I just uploaded, I just downloaded this video, and Google Ads support this, and you can see I already have a running campaign. I got some impressions, some views, and you see all the information. When you also run a campaign here, and after a few moments or hours, you can also see all the details about your traffic, demographics, gender, age. Here you can see the devices, so that you can learn who is your real audience. And my method is I just do some research about my product, and I find out the best keywords that people are really searching for, learning for. I mean, the people looking for my product, and I just find those keywords and upload here, and people search those keywords and they watch my video. So that means I'm getting only the targeted traffic, not just random views from the YouTube. The people are really looking for this product, they are watching this video, and I'm getting only the targeted views. And you can see here YouTube search, and 170 views I got for YouTube search, and for that I spent only $1.75. So you can see this is the cheapest, and I can say you that this is the best ever source which I know to get cheapest traffic using ads.google.com, and I'm going to show you how you can do that. And for doing that, you must need to find out the best keywords and how we can do that. All right, so if we go to the product, this is my affiliate link, and when I click here, I will be watching this landing page, this sales page. So this is
Okay.
sorry that is my sales page, my product sales page, and if I use that page, then I will get the best keywords. So how you can do that? Go to tools, keyword planner, search, find new keywords, just put your product URL. Started. Now you can see I found 842 keywords. And why am I doing this? Because the product owner, the Red Tea Detox team, already done a lot of keyword research, and they find out the best keywords, and they used those keywords in their website. And by searching in this way, I found those keywords, and now I can use this to create a Google ad campaign, because I really don't know, I have no idea which keywords are good and which keywords has the search volume. So what can I do now? I can copy all these 842 keywords, all right, and just select all those, and you can do some filtering, like let's say this keyword has zero views, zero search volume, so you can just uncheck this, and you can also uncheck this 10 or 30. That means the keyword has a minimum over 50 or 100 search volume per month, you can select that keyword. And I already done a research and I find out the best keywords here. As you can see, these are my keywords. Now it's time to create a campaign here. So by this way you will find out the best keywords, and now it's time to create a Google ad. All right, and go to video campaigns. Now campaigns, go to create new campaign and create a campaign without a goals guidance. You can select here. Just do not use any of them. First go with this option. Click here and video. We are going to create a video ad campaign, and now click continue. Give a campaign name here. So Red Tea Detox review, and I can type here Red Tea CMP2. I can give a ad budget here, let's say $5, or actually when you at least spend more than 10 or 15 US dollar, so that you can have some good quality traffic and you can see the conversion. All right, so make sure you spend at least 50 US dollar with Google Ads, and you can even spend $5 per day, but I'm selecting 50 US dollar, 15. All right, so in date I'm going to select a in date here like 27, so that means 1.88 US dollar, or I can even choose closer date so that uh, Google can spend my money quickly and they can give me the views quickly. All right, so locations all countries and territories, and give a ad group name here, Red Tea be on version on. And now here you will paste all your keywords, like these keywords which I found from my Excel sheet. And when you add these keywords, and Google has now only the option when someone search with this keyword, and your videos will be shown to them. All right, and here you will select 0.01, so that means you will be getting 100 views for on US dollar. And now here we will give your video, paste your video link here, and we're going to select this on video discovery ad, not in stream ad, only the video discovery ad. All right, and has already selected the thumbnail, and now give a headline here, Red Tea Detox real review, description on, make sure 35 characters, description 2, just you know, do some practice here and make sure which one is giving you the best click rate. Ad name. So now save and continue. Oh, ad stream violates policy detox. You see, they are not permitting this keyword Red Tea Detox, so I'm going to delete this Red Tea. How I lost 22 pounds in 3 weeks. So I hope Google will not mind. All right, so you can see your campaign is ready, and continue to campaign. So this is a very easy to do, and if you do this and Google has no problem, and you will get only the targeted views. And I hope you will also get some sales if you do this campaign with my guideline, and hopefully I will also get some sales and I can show you. Right now I have zero sales, and hopefully in a few days I will get some sales. And this is the way I also do my ad campaign for every product. And now I can type here, it's done. And in the next video I'm going to show you how you can run a paid Facebook group ads. And make sure you do a Google ad campaign because it's so important, and it's easier to get approved on Google ads when you create a ad campaign like this. And you will start getting your traffic, you will start getting views very soon. And you can see the keywords which is going to give you the best views. You can see fat loss, burnt tea, green tea, slimming tea. So if you go here all keywords, and you will learn that the keywords working or not, and you can even do some filtering there. And I hope when you go through this process, you will learn this process yourself. This is not any advanced trick here, this is very easy. Just all you need to run a ad campaign first. Without running an ad campaign, you will not understand how it works. When you run a few ad campaigns, you will learn all the advanced trick yourself. You don't need to tell anyone, you don't need to ask anyone's help about this. You will learn all the things yourself. It's a promise from me. So that's it. In the next video, I'm going to show you this on. Thank you very much.